Hi everyone, welcome to BG Adventures.
I'm Gianine.
And I'm Bradley, and we make up BG Adventures. This is kind of like our introduction video for this channel. We just wanted to introduce ourselves and tell you what this channel is. I guess how we started was Gianine actually had this Instagram, what do you call those?
Instagram account?
Account?
Or profile, yeah.
Profile? Instagram profile? She had an Instagram profile that she converted to, I guess, our couple account, and we were sharing our travel adventures on there, hence the name BG Adventures.
Originally, before we decided to create this YouTube channel, we were thinking of rebranding because we wanted to share more than travel stuff.
Things other than travel.
Yeah, but then Bradley mentioned that, no, I think we should keep it because life is an adventure, and I think we can still do whatever we want to do and share whatever it is we want to share using the BG Adventures platform. So that's exactly why we're keeping it.
What I wanted to share, I guess my interests in tech in general, or just do-it-yourself type of projects. What do you call those again?
DIY. Do it yourself. DIY.
DIY things.
I said do yourself. I don't know what that means.
I don't even know what to say.
I think we're supposed to just tell them a little bit about us so they get to know us a little bit.
I like playing video games.
See, things like that.
I don't really play video games anymore, so
I'm so confused. Like, if I didn't know Bradley and if I wasn't dating Bradley and Bradley made this video about him, I would be so confused.
This is like impromptu though, so I'm not really that good. Some things that I would like to share. Me and her, we both have personal projects, passion projects as we like to call them, that we work on while we're not working anymore in terms of our full-time job. So once we're off the job, we're not just sitting around.
We're not just sitting around.
Also do a lot of things. Perhaps I can share how to build a computer, for example, or say how to set things up in general, how to do like home automation type of tasks. But we'll see where it goes. What I plan to post are just my interests. Yourself?
For me, I think the same thing with Bradley, where I want to share my interests and my passions. So like cooking, for example. Yeah, just sharing with you what I learned, and hopefully you'll take a thing or two.
Hopefully you'll find value out of the things that we share with you. That's our hope.
We're very, very excited about this project because this is one of the projects that Bradley and I are working on together. Usually we don't work on projects together because we have very, very different interests. It's exciting. We're both really looking forward to this project, and I hope you stay tuned and follow along. We hope you guys subscribe because I think we should say that. So they
people say like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Is it here or here? Or here?
Who knows? By the time people watch this, it might change too, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Down below.
Yeah, so subscribe. I don't know that word.
Down below. Down below.
Isn't that the description?
What? We can edit. We can edit this, right? Down below or down below. All right? Down below. Down below.
The subscribe icon? Or?
We'll edit that one in. Yeah, it's either on one side or the other, right?
Okay.
It's gotta be on the right side.
Then subscribe and follow us on Instagram, BG Adventures. B for Bradley, G for Gianine, Adventures with 3 S's. I think to make it easier, I'm just gonna put that here. Or
BG Adventures.
yeah. Or here. Yeah. See ya.
See ya.